Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
It was a happy family day, but no one knew small trouble was coming.
Today will be easy and fun. I will run fast and kick the ball very far.
Fun is good, Luca, but please look around before you run.
Come on, Luca. Let us play soccer first, but please look where you run. I see the ball, and I am ready. This will be my best kick today. Luca, stop there. The grass is wet, and your shoes may slip. Ow, my knee hurts a lot. I cannot stand up by myself. Please stay still, Luca. I will not pull you, because I do not want to hurt you more.
I heard you, Luca. Do not move your leg now. I need to check you first. Look at me and breathe slowly. You are hurt, but you are not alone.
I feel scared, Mom. My knee is burning and I do not know what happened.
I am here too, Luca. Tell us where it hurts and we will listen carefully.
I see the first clue. The grass is wet here, and Luca slipped on it.
Good looking, Mimi. Wet grass can be a small clue and a big problem. Bo, stay with Luca. I will get clean water, a soft towel, and a bandage.
It's okay, buddy. We'll get you fixed up.
I am back now. We will clean the dirt first, then cover your knee. This may feel cold, but cold water can help your knee feel better.
It feels cold and strange, but I can hold Mimi's hand and stay brave. Squeeze my hand, Luca. I am your big sister, and I will stay right here.
The game can wait. Your knee is more important than one soccer ball.
There, the bandage is on. Now your knee is covered and clean. You do not need to stand fast. We will rest first, then try one small step.
I can breathe slowly now. My heart is not jumping so hard anymore.
Lean on me, son. We will move slowly, and we will stop if it hurts.
Here is your water. I will sit with you, and we can still have fun slowly. Thank you, Mimi. I cannot run now, but I can still be part of the day. The ball rolled near the flowers, so I will get it slowly and carefully.
Do not step into the flowers, Mimi. Use your eyes first, then use your hands.
I can almost reach the ball. I just need to move this little branch. Ow! Something sharp scratched my hand. It is not a bee, but it hurts. My hand has a red line, and it feels hot on my skin.
Do not rub it, Mimi. A scratch needs clean water and gentle hands. I will wash the scratch first. Clean skin helps it feel better.
You can be brave too, Mimi. The water is cold, but it helps.
There, the scratch is covered now. Keep it clean.
The soccer problem is done, and the flower clue is solved. Now let us fly the kite.
We can fly the kite, but everyone stays on the open grass.
Go! The kite is going up!
I cannot run today, but I can be the team coach.
The wind changed, and the family adventure found a new problem.
The kite is going to the tree. The wind is pulling it away from us.
Do not worry. I can get the kite down if I stay careful and move slowly.
I see small flying things near that branch. Please do not touch them.
I see the string, but I do not see danger. I will only pull it one time.
Wait, Bo. If something is near the branch, we should look first and not rush.
It is only stuck a little. One small pull should make it free.
Bo, stop! There is a small bee nest behind the leaves. Oh no, I did not see it. Everyone move back slowly now.
Stay calm and walk back. Do not wave your arms and do not run near the bees.
Oh, that's smart. Be careful with my poor nose.
Look at it, Mimi. It's huge. It's so red.
Sit down, Bo. I need to check your nose and make sure you can breathe.
I can breathe, but my nose feels big, hot, and very silly.
This cold towel can help your big red nose feel better.
I wanted to save the kite, but now my nose needs saving first.
You told me to rest, so now you must rest too.
You are right. I rushed, and I did not listen when Mother said to wait.
You said you knew what to do, but Mother was the one watching the danger.
Today, I learned that small things can make very big trouble. First my knee, then Mimi's hand, then Bo's nose.
How do you know what to do when problems happen so fast? I do not always know what will happen, but I can stay calm and look carefully.
Next time, I will look for thorns before I touch flowers or branches. Next time, I will look at the ground before I run after the ball.
Next time, I will listen to Ma before I pull a string near a tree. I wanted to be strong today, but I needed help too. You saved our family day.
Mother, how do you know what to do when problems happen so fast?
I do not always know what will happen, but I can stay calm and look carefully.
I wanted to be strong today, but I needed help too. You saved our family day. The kite can stay there for now. I think the bees need quiet time too.
Detective Mimi sees clue number 1. Luca slipped because the grass was wet. Detective Luca sees clue number 2. Mimi got scratched by a sharp thorn.
Detective Bo has clue number 3. I pulled the kite near the bees.
So, detectives, what is the answer to our family mystery today?
The answer is not a magic bag. The answer is Ma staying calm and helping us.
Things can help, but looking, listening, and staying calm help even more.
Next time, I will look for thorns before I touch flowers or branches. Next time, I will look at the ground before I run after the ball.
Next time, I will listen to Ma before I pull a string near a tree. That evening, the family sat together with 3 small hurts and 1 big lesson.
Eat slowly, everyone. After a big adventure day, warm food is the best medicine.
My knee still hurts a little, but I feel happy because you stayed with me. My hand feels better now. Thank you for cleaning it before I made it worse.
My nose looks funny, but my heart is very thankful for your quick help.
You are still our brave Bo, but maybe not the king of kite rescue.
I agree. From now on, Ma is the captain of safety on family adventure days. Cheers to our family team!